In this video tutorial, we briefly explain how to use the GHC engine. The aim of GHC is to generate timetables automatically. To that end, the engine is the essential component. The GHC engine greatly facilitates the work of fitting the academic timetables, although its use requires a certain ability to obtain the best possible results. It is best to run the engine while you add new elements and conditions to the timetable. It is not necessary to wait until all elements and conditions are set. The engine works initially by looking for a complete result that includes all the class units and fulfills all the configured conditions. The engine will only optimize the complete solutions that it finds. To best use the engine, it is necessary to know how to retouch the conditions that block a complete result, and once found, it is necessary to know how to reach optimal results. It should be emphasized that the GHC engine will effectively find complete solutions to the conditions that are required whenever they exist. You must start by configuring only those elements and conditions that are really necessary. The engine will be used to find results that observe the necessary conditions for your educational institution, verifying experimentally that these are possible. During this process, and as new elements and conditions are added, it is best to regularly verify if the results are possible. To do this, the engine will be used. The GHC engine will tell us whether what is being configured has a solution. If the conditions imposed are impossible to satisfy, the engine will leave some unplaced sessions. If there is a solution, it will be usually found quickly. In timetables that are difficult to fit, the engine could be delayed to find a complete first solution. In case that there are many unplaced sessions, or if there is something unplaced that does not fit in repeated attempts, the engine will hint at what might prevent a complete solution. You will then need to fully identify and solve the issue. In general, we can say that if the engine does not advance in repeated attempts, the timetable is probably impossible. Which are the conditions that prevent the fitting of all sessions? As we have already pointed out, the problem-solving task is far easier if, as new elements are added to the timetable, it is checked by regularly using the engine that what is being introduced does not block the results. This lets you resolve conflicts on the go. After verifying that the basic timetable has a solution, the GHC user should then focus on establishing preferences and optimization criteria. The optimization process will look for balanced timetables for all teachers, evaluating a commitment that satisfies all preferences based on the weight that has been assigned. This way, the best possible results will be achieved. If there is a solution you're looking for, GHC will not only find it, but also, more importantly, GHC will optimize it based on your preferences and weighted criteria. To sum up, it is recommended to use the GHC engine to verify that what you are configuring has a solution. Once you get complete results, you can add preferences and adjust the criteria to get the best timetables for your educational institution. Watch the video tutorial dedicated to the engine for more details about its use. Thank you for your attention.